All right, Moto Talk. So we're at the end of Outdoor Nationals. What's that mean? Well, this year it means SMX playoffs, but normally it doesn't. It just means Motocross the Nations is coming up. So what are your all's thoughts on the Haiden Deegan situation? So let's start off by saying he's kind of been our American that stepped up, and he's even made comments on the podium this year about, I want to put the American on top, et cetera, and that's fine. We needed a guy to do that. We needed a guy to cheer for. But the rumor is Haiden Deegan does not want to do Motocross the Nations, whether it be he needs to rest, or he's a little burnt out, or he needs some time on this new YZ250F that's coming out. Whatever the case, what do you guys think about that? Should he be able to play that MURICA card and then bow out of the Nations? Let's see what Twitter has to say about it. Joshua Anderson over on Twitter says he can't come down on Brian Deegan for not racing. He's been racing all year. They're racing into September. He needs to rest. Dallas Goodrich says racers race. Joshua says he's paid to ride Supercross and Motocross. If there's no money in it for him, he should not ride. There's more benefits to take time off. We don't need him burnt out. Somebody up here said it would probably be monetarily beneficial for his family if he does race and represent the USA. Josh says, no, not really. The race does not get that many live TV viewers. And then a couple other people said rest and focus. This guy says, and everyone seems to be forgetting that it's an all-new 250 next year, that they need all the time they can get on. Dave says, I can't either, but I think he's taking most of this slack because he's been waving the U.S. flag and talking all MURICA. Then when it comes down to defending the MX of Nations title, he's bowing out. All right, guys, what do you think? Are you a little annoyed that Haiden Deegan, the top American 250 rider, is bowing out of Moto of Nations, or do you think it's cool?